In this video, I will be showing you how to create tags and how I would use it as a marketer and how I would use it to promote my products. Okay, so before we begin, I want to mention that there is a link down below in the description if you would like to start a profitable affiliate marketing business. Then check out my #1 recommendation down below. Okay, so for example, I have 5 products to promote. Okay, let me increase the size of this. Let's say I have 5 products to promote. Okay, let's say someone signed up through this opt-in form. Okay, I wanna promote the first offer, which is I wanna promote first the first product, and then the second product, and then the third product automatically. Okay, I want to show you how to do that in this video. So before we begin, I want to show you how to create a tag. Okay, go to list, okay, or go to this icon. Where is it? Yes, list, and then go to tags and a new tag. Okay, for example, I have a product called affiliating. This is my #1 recommendation, by the way, and I will add a description real quick, like so, and I want to create a new category like my promotion, like so. I click on the plus, and I want to select the category, and I want to create a tag. I will do the same in the next 5 offers. So like, I don't have an idea of what offer to promote as the second one, so I will just add a placeholder. Okay, so I create a tag. I will create the other tags and I will get back to you until I reach 5 tags. So now I have added the tags like you see. Next thing I want to do, I want to create the email sequences. So next I want to go to campaigns, I want to go to sequences, a new sequence, and this is called my promotions or offer 1 sequence, or offer 1 for example is affiliating, so I will be creating a sequence for this. Okay, and I create a sequence, and here it is. I want to add a trigger, so when someone subscribes, I want to add a sequence, so when someone subscribes to my opt-in form, I will assign them to tag #1. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. But first, I want to have a trigger, so I'm going to go to forms. I want to choose my affiliating form, and I click on done. Okay, that's it. Then I want to add my emails. For example, there is already a welcome email for this opt-in page. Okay, so I want to add a time delay, and I want them to wait for 24 hours or 1 day. Okay, I want to make this active. Click on done. Next thing, I will send them the second email, like so. I will add here email #1. I will select the sender, and I want to have this subject email 1 subject 1. I still don't have an idea on what to write, maybe in the upcoming videos, but I will show you how to do that in GrooveMail. Next, once you added the subject, the sender name, and the name, go to messages, and this is where you want to choose if you want to use the professional email editor or the basic email editor or the HTML content. Okay, so what I recommend, which is the fastest, is using the basic email editor, but I want to show you what is it about the professional email editor. So I click on it and click on compose your email. This is a list of templates like you see. The good thing about these templates is that you can add a signature on each email. Okay, that's what I want to add, and you can add a logo at the beginning of your email. So I want to start from scratch and I want to create it by myself. So I click on where is the image. Yes, the image in here. I want to drag it and drop it on browse, and I want to search for my logo. Here it is. Select, and here is my logo. Let me check it out on, I don't think there is a way to check it on mobile. Yes, there is. Yes, it looks good. Next thing I want to add is a text or a paragraph text. So I drag it and drop it like so, and I start typing my email. Okay, I'll start typing my email like so. Okay, you can add affiliate links and so on. Next, once you've done with creating your email, I will just go and add a lorem ipsum like so, and I want to increase the font size to 18 or 20. 18 is much better, and you want to style it a little bit like you see in here, like that. Okay, next thing I want to do is maybe you want to change the font to, let's see, Open Sans, like so. It looks good by now. Okay, now that I have done creating my email content, then next thing I want to do is I want to add a button, for example, which is my affiliate link. Okay, this is something you can do, like get or check the video out like so. And you can see here from the settings you can add your affiliate link. I will just add google.com, and you can change the font to, for example, Georgia or Open Sans again. I want to make it bold, and I want to change the font size to 25 like so. You can change the colors, for example black or whatever color you want, like red, like so. Okay, I think that is all you can do with that. There is a lot you can do with the professional email editor, but I want to show you how I would do it as a marketer, as a simple marketer. So I want to go to content again, and I want to have a signature. Okay, so I want to add a spacing first. I'll just drag it and drop it. Here it is. Then I want to add, let's see, the signature. So I will add a paragraph like so, and I will say the following like so, and I want to change the text size to 16, and the font I want this to be Droid. Nope, it looks good but I don't like it. Maybe Source Sans Pro, and I will enter and click here. That's it. And I want to add an affiliate link in here, so I just select it and add a link from here. Okay, for example google.com, and click on OK like so. This is a simple email, a logo, the content of the email, a button, and a signature. Okay, that's what I like. Maybe you want to add your image or your photo in the signature. This is totally up to you. Okay, now that I have done creating my email, this is just an example, guys. Then I want to go to and click and save and exit. And because I want to use it more often in my next emails, all I do is just a new category, or I will just have a name like, let's see, my email temp. Click on save, and the email name is my simple email. Click on save. Now the email is done. It is created. You can test the email if it can be delivered to your inbox, and just click the status to be active, and that is it. Click on done. Your first email is created. Next thing is email number 2. So I want to add a time delay, okay, for a 1 day or 12 hours. It depends on your promotion. So I want to add a 1 day, and I want to add my next email. I will just copy this. If there is, no, I cannot. So I will send email. Just drag it and drop it. This is email number 2. I will select the sender. I will select the name, email to subject 1, and you can add a preview, but I don't want to. Here where you can choose the professional editor or the basic or the HTML. In this example, I want to choose the basic email editor, and I will go to the lorem ipsum and I'll just paste it in here. But that's not what you're going to do. I'm sure you have an email sequence ready to go. So next thing is I want to organize it a little bit like so, and you can change the text size to large, and I think that is it. Click on done. Now that you are done with your first email or your first email sequence, click on save. This is your affiliating sequence. You can create 4 more sequences, okay, and I will show you how. Click on new sequence, or just for this example I want to clone this to implement it fast. So this is for the offer number 1, for the offer number 2. Okay, I want to create an email sequence for offer number 2. So for example, I want to change the trigger. This is a must. I want to edit it. I want to remove this, and you want to go to tags. You want to select the category, which is my promotions. You want to select the tag, which is offer number 2. Okay, so when someone subscribes to offer number 2, then send them this email sequence. Okay, click on done, and just add your emails and add your email copies and so on, and then click on save. So I will do the rest of the sequences for the rest of the offers, and I will get back to you guys. So I finished with creating my email sequences, like you see, affiliating, offer number 2, offer number 3, and 4 and 5. Next thing you want to do is go to your first email sequence, click on edit, okay, and then scroll down until you see this, and just drag and drop the add tag. Okay, you want to select the category, my promotions, and you want to select offer number 2 because you want to add people to offer number 2, okay, to send them the second email sequence. Okay, you want this to be active, and click on done. Okay, it is now done, like you see. So once this email sequence is finished, it will be automatically added to the second tag. Okay, and now I click on save, and I will do the rest, and I will do the same for the rest of the email sequences. So for offer number 2, I will scroll down, and I want to add a tag, and I will select my promotions. The tag is offer number 3. This is active. Click on save. Go to offer number 3. Click on edit. Scroll down. Add a tag. I think it is offer number 4 or number 5. I think it is offer number 4, and click on active. Click on done, and here it is. Now click on save. I want to go to the offer number 4 and click on edit. Scroll down, add a tag, my promotions, offer number 5. click on active, and that's it. Click on save. Okay, now our sequence is finished. What you can do next, you want to go to the email automations, like here it is. Go to automations, create a new automation. So let me select a trigger for if someone fills a form, if a contact fills a form, I want to choose my affiliating form and click on plus. Then you want to add them to a tag, which is the affiliating, like you see, and click on plus. Click on save. Let me add a name. Click on save, and that is it. Let me just make it live. Click on resume, and that is it, guys. I think for the automation and for the sequences, it is been covered in one video, I think. So yeah, I think I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have learned something in this video.